Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to show the rolling 12 months data in the view. Okay, for that I will create two parameters where user can select the year and month. Based on the year month selection, we'll display the rolling 12 months data in the view. Okay, first let me create a parameter. So name of the parameter, choose year, data type integer. I will add some list of values. Let's say 2022, 2023 and 2024. Okay, and then click OK, and then we will create one more parameter for the month selection. So choose month. So this will be again integer, and I will provide list of values. Let's say 1, 2, 3. I'm going to add only 4 months. So I want to display 1 as January, 2 as February, 3 as March, and 4 as April. Then click OK. Now using these two parameters, we will create one calculated field that makes this uh, year and month as a date field. Okay, so selected date. So we'll use make date function. So we have to provide year, month and day. So choose year comma choose month. As there is no day value, by default we will provide 1 as the day, and then click OK. Now right click and show filter. Sorry, drag and drop, or else we can simply right click and show parameter. Right click, show parameter. From here user can select the desired year and month. Okay, so next we'll write one more calculation that filters the data for rolling 12 months. Okay, so date difference of, so we need month difference, so I'm providing date part as month, comma date, that is order date, comma selected date. If the difference between these two months, we need less than 12. Okay, and so let me show you the output of this calculation first. I will go to the new sheet just to show you the output. Drag order date, right click and then choose month, down arrow click discrete. If you drag this calculation rolling 12 months, you can see the true value is coming from, so what are the values we have selected? Show parameter, show parameter. So 2024 February we have selected. Okay, so 2024 February selected, and it's giving true value from February 2024 to going back to 12 months, and it also giving the true for the months, upcoming months. So we need to add one more condition that gives false for these months. Okay, right click and edit, we'll write uncondition. So this one less than or equal to 2 limits up to the 12 months, the selected date. Okay, now we'll write uncondition to filter out the future months, and date diff month, same thing, order date comma selected date, it should be greater than or equal to 0, which means the result will be difference of these two dates will give true if the difference of these two months is greater than or 0. Click OK. Now if you see, we have selected the February month. Okay, now we have selected the February months, and the values are true from February to going back to the up to March 2023. Now I'll go to the sheet 1 and drag this rolling 12 months calculation to the filters. Now if I select 12 true, sorry, if I select true and then click OK, by default it will display the 12 months. When user selects the March, it will display from March 2024 going back to the last 12 months. Okay, since the year is an integer, if you want to remove these commas, you can edit, right click, edit parameter. So you can just modify in the display as just remove comma from here. Okay, now you can see the years properly displayed. It will display data from April 2022 to March 2023. So this is how we can provide option to choose the rolling 12 months for the user. I hope this tutorial is helpful to you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe.